Welcome to another episode on crypto and stocks. So let's get started with the first tweet, which is coming from RJ Stocks Twitter handle. They have recommended three stocks: Bajaj Finance, Awas Finance, and Cholamandalam Finance. All these stocks from the finance sector in India, and they are saying that they are great buys. So they have already given good returns in last couple of years, and they will continue to do so because these are quality companies from NBFC space, that is non-banking finance sector. Next, it is very interesting. So, investor and the farmer, there are a lot of similarities between these two, especially the long-term investor. First, similarities: don't shout at the crops. So, which means you don't have to regret for the investment. Once you buy the stock, you don't need to worry about it. Just let it go. And same way, farmer doesn't shout at the crops. You don't have to shout at your investments. Next one is don't blame the crop for not growing fast enough. Some crop takes a time while others grow very fast. So you need to have a patience. Basically, this line is talking about that one. And in long term investing also, you need to have patience to earn money or grow your investment. Third one is don't uproot crops before they had a chance to grow. So which means don't sell the stocks when the growth momentum is going on, or there are growth stocks that you have invested in. So let them grow. Do not sell them. As long as the growth story is intact, you have to stay put. Do not sell your stocks. Next similarity: choose the best plants for the soil. That means depending upon the uh, different geopolitical and economic considerations, you have to select the best stocks from the different sectors. Same way, farmer chooses the best plants for the soil. Same way, investor has also to choose specific quality stocks from the different sectors. Next one is irrigate and fertilize. So this similarity is basically talking about you have to ramp up your positions in your quality stocks. The next one is remove weeds, which means you have to sell the stocks where a growth story has vanished, or fundamentals of the company or the stock has gone down. So in those situations, you have to cut down those particular holdings, or the like reduce the positions in those stocks. The final, remember, you will have good seasons and bad seasons. You can't control the weather, only be prepared for it. Same way in the stock market also, there will be a different situations. Like currently there is a Ukraine Russia war fear is going on, and there is a oil price rise, then there is inflation. There are a lot of factors that affect the stock market, but you don't need to worry about that. All you can do is you can be prepared for it. That means if you think that valuations have gone high, you don't need to invest your money. Just keep your cash with you, and whenever you get the opportunity, deploy the cash. Same way, farmers also don't have the control on this weather, but what they can do is they can store some extra harvesting for the next couple of years, maybe when there will not be any rain or weather will be harsh. So same way in investing also, you need to be prepared for those situations. So there is a lot of similarities between the farmer and the long-term investor, and I completely agree with this tweet. Next news is about the cryptocurrencies. Secure Capital is launching a 500 $600 million crypto fund to invest in tokens. Next news again about the cryptocurrencies. Bank of America is saying Chainlink could accelerate the adoption of next generation blockchain use across finance, insurance, supply chain, gaming, and gambling. Bank of America looking very bullish on the cryptocurrencies. Next one is Ukraine makes Bitcoin and crypto legal in the country. Next news is about the Nestle India results. So they have declared the results, and you can see the profit for the full year is 385 crores. Last year the profit was 483 crores. So you can see there is a degrowth of 20% year on year, and that's why stock price has also plummeted by around 10% in last couple of months. But I am very bullish on this particular stock. It's very quality stock, and right now it gives the right opportunity, the good opportunity basically to ramp up your position because stock is down by 10%. So this year it has been not a good year in terms of the profit because of the inflation. But going forward, I'm very bullish on this stock, and it will give good returns. At least 20% upside I see in this particular stock. Next news is Colorado will accept Bitcoin for the tax payments this year. So that is news coming from the United States. Next news, Walmart board director is saying crypto's potential is huge and its use cases go beyond the financial sphere. Next news coming from India regarding the IPOs that happened last year. So a lot of IPOs, you can see the performance has been really bad, and the stocks have plummeted by up to 60%. As you can see, cart rate, it is down by 62% from all-time high. And the same way, there is a Paytm, Zomato, Paras Defense. All these stocks have gone down by 30 to 60%. And most of the IPOs that are coming in Indian markets are richly valued. That means there is no upside. So I will recommend that investors should not buy in these IPOs because they are IPOs are overvalued, I will say. And if you invest, your money will not grow. As you can see from these particular examples, there are better opportunities, better stocks with fair valuation, so you can go ahead and invest in those. Next news about the Tata Motors. JP Morgan has initiated Tata Motors with overweight rating. That means they think that Tata Motors stock price will rise, and the target price that they've given is 630 rupees per share. Currently, Tata Motors is trading at around 500. Next, very interesting tweet from Porinju Variath, one of the renowned investors in India. What he's saying is that Manyavar, another IPO from Indian stock market. So you can see the revenue is 800 crores for the last year, while the market cap is 23,000 crore. That means this Manyavar stock is overvalued. While Raymond, another stock that is already listed on the stock market, the revenue is 5,600 crores, while the market cap is 5,000 crores. So you can see there is a huge gap between how you value the stocks in Indian market. So Manyavar is like 1023x of the sales, while Raymond is just 1x of the sales. Huge gap between valuations. And he's also saying that he's holding Raymond because of this reason. Finally, the news coming from the Charlie Munger, who is saying that cryptocurrency should have been banned earlier, but a lot of crypto investors are criticizing this statement, and they're saying that Charlie Munger is out of his mind. And I also reckon that point. So that's it in today's video. I'll see you next one. Till then, have a good day and enjoy your time.